look at the puppy.
I need dogs. This is why
Yeah, I did my hair.
it likes to be pet on the stomach. I know.
Puppy.
It likes that stomach petting.
The thing is, he's kind of. He was taking a.
I'll try not to touch his private.
With him, but then he went to see who was out the door.
Not him sniffing the camera.
Dogs are curious, okay? Let them live their puppy lives.
Apparently, these type of dogs are supposed to turn white.
Wait.
Apparently, like if you see on top of his head, it's already like kind of.
Wait, guys, look.
We're becoming old.
No.
And he's only like
Oh,
He's only
wait,
like a couple
Valentina,
months
look
old.
over. Valentina, over here.
Where?
Here,
White
look.
Yeah. These type of dogs are
Beautiful.
apparently supposed to turn white.
When they're what?
I'm not sure when, but it might be soon. Might not.
Is it gonna
When
die?
he's aggressive, he kind of.
What if I pet him like calm? Would he bite me?
No.
Nigeria is
Oh, what's
That's
on
only
your
if he's
toe?
hyper, but right
Hey,
now
what's
he's
wrong
not.
with your toe?
Painted. Oh, what happened to your thumb?
What happened to your toe?
small.
What happened?
Just like I think yesterday or something, I was going. We were at like
Could you stub your
someplace, I
toe?
forgot where. I was gonna
Oh.
take a picture with my dad, but then I accidentally stubbed my toe and then it broke. And, no, it didn't really break.
One of my
It's
toes
like,
broke.
It's like
When
the
I was
the
younger,
toe,
it
like,
hurt.
the nail.
I need you in my life.
Puppy.
We're going soon.
I need a dog in my life. Mommy, this is
Valentina,
why I need a dog.
Yes, yes.
This is why I need a dog.
Deja actually came over to my house, and then Deja was the one who had the idea to come see you.
Listen, Meme.
Yes.
Meme.